Welcome to the Commercial Real Estate Mentorship Program. Letter of intent, step by step. What I'm going to do is a two-step process here to create your letter of intent. What I want you to just do is basically write a business letter. And I've got a sample business letter with some basic information we want to put in. We have your address, their address. I would like to make a business proposal. And that's what we're going to put in here. I'd like to take over all the management of the property. We're going to put the full address of the property type in here first. Mobile home park, office buildings, whatever it is. Take over the property management. I'll make all the monthly payments due during the entire term of the master lease. Cool. Okay. You retain title. This is a marketing piece. They retain legal title. Okay? Now, ignore the yellow for right now. I'll talk about that in a minute. You're really not going to have it in there, and I'll show you how to get rid of it as well. Master lease payments, they're responsible for making the loan payments, if any, the property taxes, and I'm putting in personal property taxes because the county may be charging a separate tax on the non-real property, the furniture, fixtures inside the office or inside of each of the trailers they own. We talked about getting rid of the zombie trailers and an option to buy them for $3,000 during the term of the lease. I'm not binding you to buy them up front. You have the right to hire a property manager at your own expense. I'll talk about these blue in a minute. And then you'll have the benefit of exercising the purchase option that they will get it done with no sales commission. That's kind of cool for them. They don't pay 6% commission. You have all this information here. This would basically be the letter right here. You got it? So let's go through what we have colors on. This is the basic letter. We just take the colors off. Okay? Let me go ahead and just take you to the next page, which just gives you a handle on how to convert this to being a letter of intent. It'll look just like this letter, except we're going to modify a couple of things. Underneath that yellow stuff, we're going to grab this set of paragraphs, all of this, right-click, copy, and then we're going to go up to the first page. And underneath this, we're going to paste in that information. I want you to be careful. Do not grab the one on the far right. Grab the one on the left, which keeps the sources. And we have a paragraph here we probably want to move down. Okay. We're going to go back here right now before we forget about it and take out this yellow. See the yellow? I'm going to go up to home. See this highlighter? Let's click it, and we just take it off. Cool. Well, now we've got the paragraph we wanted for a formal letter of intent. Let's go back to the document down below and see what else we have to do. We're going to make it a formal letter of intent, okay? On this paragraph that's blue here, what we're going to do is just take out the letter of intent because we're creating a letter of intent. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the words letter of intent, done. And now we're going to create a formal master lease. And we're going to go back up here, as I told you earlier. We're going to go back to the home, click this right here. Now, everything under the green, we're going to delete. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Down to here. Make sense? Yeah, it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to this thing and ungreen it, if you can call it that. We got rid of it. Now, we got to clean this up and bring some things up here. This was instructions for us. We moved all of that up above. Remember, we put it up here in paragraph 1. There we go. So this is all taken care of. We took care of the letter of intent words. We deleted everything under the green. And now we're going to basically have a signature block for you to sign. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to take all of this out and delete it up to the point where we started this whole thing, because we've already taken care of it. And now we have the signature block in place. We need to put your name in there, not your name, your business name. Put your name in there and leave a space for you to sign your name. Does that make sense? Absolutely. We're going to do the same down below here. We'll leave space for your signature. Take it out completely. We're going to take that out. Here we go. Take it out of this one. and we'll have a signature block to sign. Okay, we're good. Now, what do we have to do to finish this thing off? I'll tell you exactly what we have to do. Let's start from the beginning here. You're going to offer a letter of intent, right? Make a letter of intent. Just type it in. We're typing in a letter of intent. I'd like to discuss a master lease. Okay, that's fine. We have put in here our property type, mobile home park. We put in the address of the subject property. You're talking about master leasing it? Now, in this here, we can put in the amount of, because you know the numbers, the amount of what percentage of the pre-existing number you're going to use. Now, from my business perspective, I told you 75. Put in 75%, and we're good. Now, if you've negotiated 70, great, knock yourself out. But you're going to be monthly payments. You're going to use the chart that I've already given you, the master lease illustration. You're going to take this percent of the net operating income as the base income and use that to come up with the payments. Then you're going to take the amount of those payments times that number of monthly payments and plug in the number. Why would you do that? You want to show them that they're making a ton of money from the leases. The financial illustration gives you all the numbers for how much you're going to pay monthly, and also it tells you what your option price is going to be. And you're going to put that number in. That way it's established up front. You need to put in your numbers, your economic reality. And the reality is, I think you can take the mobile home park financial illustration to determine. If the numbers come up that you don't make any money, you nixed it. It doesn't work. And if he drives you or she drives you to pay 80% and you don't make any money, no. Stick with your 75. That is a business proposition you're going to have to determine based on your personal visit to the place and all of the numbers you've gotten from the seller on income and expenses. Bearing in mind, you have the right in paragraph 3 there to go back and verify it. And if there's a negative variance, 1, your monthly payment will reduce. 2, your purchase option price will be reduced. One final comment on this LOI. I'm not a lawyer. Don't want to be one. I don't think you need to have your lawyer review the business proposal. I do want you to have the lawyer review the formal letter of intent, which we just created. And have you what else clauses they want in there, that's fine. Do that before you take it to the landlord. This is what it's all about, helping you become an informed, intelligent commercial real estate investor. Take care.